relationship with her. They did this dance where they got back together, then they broke up again. Then he's angry because she's seeing somebody else.
Judge, I'll defer to you. We do not oppose.
He needs anger management, or he just needs to leave somebody alone.
From my experience, Your Honor, I don't think he has an anger issue, but we're open to it if the court deems it.
Do you have an anger management?
No.
All right, you're 38 years old. This is not like you're some 17-year-old, even if you were 17 or 16, it's still inexcusable. Leave her alone.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
State of Texas versus Julianne Warris. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
David Cavazos for the state judge.
for the defense?
Patrick Lyons from Mr. Juarez.
And are you Mr. Warris?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Warris, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented
Yes, Judge.
on both counts?
So one count, we'll waive and abandon count,
Which-
Judge.
All right.
Just proceeding on count one.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Warris, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of publishing or threatening to publish intimate videos? As a state jail felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just hope that you follow the plea bargain agreement. He understands he made a mistake and he just wants to move forward with his life.
All right. How old are you?
38.
How many children do you have?
3,
What are their ages?
9, 6, and 7.
Boys, girls?
All boys.
Okay. How long have you been in a relationship with the complainant in this case?
It was 10 years.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a culinary chef.
Where do you work?
Seasons, retirement, and timers.
What do you cook?
Whatever they want me to.
What's your specialty?
I'm actually a charcuterie chef. I barbecue, basically. But anything they want me to cook, it's a privately owned retirement home for people with Alzheimer's, so they want snacks, everything.
All right. Is there anyone in your family who's has a good relationship with the complainant in this case?
Yes,
Who has a good relationship? Is it your mom, your?
it would be my mother.
All right. Any alcohol or drug issues?
No, ma'am.
All right. So I want you to hear me very clearly. You're not a teenager. There's no excuse for what you did. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you've only been in a relationship with her for 10 years. So maybe you met her when you were maybe 28. Your relationship is over. She doesn't want you anymore. It didn't work out. You have 3 children. Take that as a part of your life that, I have 3 beautiful children,
Yes, ma'am.
and move on. But she's not going to be in a relationship with you. And I'm not ordering any contact. I'm not doing the apology letter. Your apology to her is leaving her alone.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're not going to have contact with her. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
She wants nothing to do with you. And if you all have an inkling in the back of your mind that you want to get back together, remember, I'm ordering no contact. So I'm telling you, she wants nothing to do with you. And if you have something to do with her that's outside of the court's orders, you could be looking at 2 years in the state jail facility.
Yes, ma'am.
And I don't think you get to choose if you want to be a cook at the state jail facility or prison. They just put you on whatever detail they put you on. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $150 fine that will be probated. Take in consideration clause number 685303. There's to be no contact with Vanessa Juarez. All right, do we need anger management class? It appears that this is a relationship. He wanted to be in a relationship with her. They did this dance where they got back together, then they broke up again. Then he's angry because she's seeing somebody else.
Judge, I'll defer to you. We do not oppose.
He needs anger management? Or he just needs to leave somebody alone?
From my experience, Your Honor, I don't think he has an anger issue, but we're open to it if the court deems
Do
it.
you have an anger management?
No.
All right, you're 38 years old. This is not like you're some 17-year-old, even if you were 17 or 16, it's still inexcusable. Leave her alone. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't call her. Don't send flowers. Don't contact her on social media. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you do any of that, what's going to end up happening is a warrant's going to be issued for your arrest because you will have violated my orders. And either you're going to make bond or you're not going to make bond. If you don't make bond, you're going to be brought over from the Bexar County Jail dressed in orange. And again, at the jail, I don't know if they'll put you on cooking detail. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is to be parenting classes. And that'll be with Triple P. You need to teach your children how they need to treat people when they're in relationships and deal with disappointment. There is 100 hours of community service restitution. Those will be waived once he's completed parenting classes. I'm going to want regular UAs. We'll do field visits 1 time per month. And we can do that for 3 months. And if all is well, then you can discontinue with that. Proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider. And I don't consider him making meals as being employed as a home healthcare provider, and no employment with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Yes, no?
Your Honor, we would just ask to remove the GPS or the partial house arrest requirement from the bond.
All right, any objection,
No
state?
objection from the state.
All right, and the court will order removal of GPS. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes. Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you. We're off the record. Here's the thing about probation in this court. If you have some issue, let probation know. If you feel like probation is insolvent, I'm here Monday through Friday from like 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So you can come in and address it with the court. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right,
Thank
do I
you.
need to sign a dismissal?
That's for the county court.
Oh, yeah, usually I sign it and you just give it to counsel to take down if you want to.
Okay.
All right. Makes everybody's life easy. You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.